Hi, welcome back to another video by greatlabio, the greatest dental lab software. And if you currently work at a dental lab, please click that like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because we have some big things coming for dental lab enthusiasts. Get ready to be swept away on an exhilarating journey through the captivating chronicles of Align technology, the visionary minds behind the revolutionary Invisalign. Join us as we navigate the remarkable narrative, punctuated by groundbreaking innovations, triumph milestones, and riveting legal battles that refined orthodontics. Our voyage embarks in 1997, a pivotal moment marked by two brilliant minds, Zia Christie and Kelsey Worth. Their partnership heralded a new era of orthodontics and ignited a spark that would revolutionize smiles across the globe. The fusion of Christie's technological acumen and Rith's strategic brilliance laid the foundation of Align Technology's audacious vision, introducing Invisalign, the transformative invisible aligners that would redefine orthodontic experiences forever. A pivotal moment arrived with the securing of an epoch-making patent for plastic aligners, the very core of Invisalign's ingenuity. This monumental milestone marked the dawn of a new era that liberated individuals from the shackles of conventional braces. Fast forward to 1999. A year that witnessed the grand unveiling of Invisalign, a watershed moment that empowered individuals to achieve their dream smiles without the limitations of traditional braces. This marked the commencement of Align Technology's audacious journey. In 2001, Align Technology embarked on an audacious leap into uncharted territory, an iconic initial public offering, IPO. This historic leap catapulted them from a pioneering startup to a global vanguard, etching an incredible chapter in their legacy. 2006 witnessed another milestone illuminating their path, the celebration of their millionth Invisalign case, a testament to the trust they had garnered, the innovation they championed, and the lives they had transformed. As we traverse the narrative, we're thrust into a world of captivating legal battles, including high-stake confrontations with industry titans like 3Shape and Smile Direct Club. Amidst the legal tempests emerged an unforeseen twist. A resolution involving a potential stake in Smile Direct Club as a settlement. Align Technology would now be partnered with what was their biggest competitor. Through the tempests, Align Technology's spirit remained unbreakable. Their unwavering commitment to innovation bore fruit with the introduction of the revolutionary itero element scanner in 2017. A paradigm shift that revolutionized digital dentistry, altering dental practices worldwide. Align Technology was now the go-to hardware provider for the Invisalign product. Amidst the milestones, Align Technology's journey had been punctuated by strategic acquisitions that cemented their position as the industry trailblazers. The acquisition of Cadent in 2011 fortified their digital footprint, while the integration of Exocad in 2019 enriched their capabilities. If you want to learn about Exocad's founding, we have a video on that too. Just click on the thumbnail. Align Technology's resilience and vision were showcased with their response to the global pandemic. The creation of remote solutions reaffirmed their commitment to advancing orthodontics even in the face of adversity. Now, we unveil a chapter marked by the impressive revenue figures. By the time of their IPO in 2001, Align Technology's revenues soared to approximately $70 million. Their journey since this has been defined by financial prowess, with revenues reaching an astonishing $2.5 billion in 2022. The audacity of Align Technology serves as a testament to the potency of vision thinking, persistent determination, and pioneering innovation. It beckons us to embrace the audacious ideas, teaching us how innovation prevails even in the face of the fiercest challenges. As we salute Align Technology's independable legacy, we peer into stories that echo through the corridors of time. Align technology inspires us to dare, to innovate, and to persist. It underscores the potential reshape of lives through relentless innovation and unyielding faith in human potential. From the inception of an audacious idea to triumph the transforming of an entire industry, Align Technology's story serves as an enduring statement to the remarkable heights of humanity can achieve when driven by a passion, vision, and an unwavering belief in making the impossible possible. Align Technology had made the best decision at the earlier stages to patent the process of plastic aligners, making them an undefeatable force for 20 years. Now, if you're a dental lab and you provide products to dentists who might be working with Invisalign, you would need to make sure you have a good case management system. And that's where GreatLab LMS is the ideal solution for your lab. GreatLab LMS is focused on lab users that want to have a better client experience, manage orders, and automate admin. With its superior billing system, it makes receiving scans from machines like itero easier than ever, using its revolutionary feature called Scan Hub. Just visit greatlabio to find out more. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. We appreciate all the love and support on this channel and hope you have a great day.